The sky is my home. My name is Brent Handy, and this is the next chapter.
His incredible abilities, as you see him pull back on the control stick now, loading the G's on his body and the airplane, he climbs to the sun. He climbs until he runs out of energy, and now gravity wins, but he doesn't give up. He flips the airplane over, and now he's falling, not flying. He has to get the angle of attack right, he has to get the speed right, and right about now, the airplane connects again, and he continues. Airshow legend Wayne Hanley, and now you see what he can do in this purpose-built airplane. Again to the very top where he starts to run out of power and energy. Gravity sucks, but it also wins, but he defies it right now by continuing to maneuver the airplane. Yeah, you can sound impressed because it's pretty scary. He gets the airplane turned around and again it's falling. It's not flying right now. He has to get it reconnected and right about now. And he starts building up energy now as he heads down. It'll make it look pretty as he does that with a couple of rolls. And now as he climbs out, he looks and snap it around, come out of it inverted, and he's still connected solidly to be able to do some aerobatics on the way down. Going in the opposite direction and watching the ground being made grew up hunting, fishing, snowmobiling, managing the course is successful. As he steps to right side up, like you see, the airport puts it on the numbers. Born and raised in California. Over she goes. out of it, inverted and flying out of it. That's the combination of his great talent and the design of this beautiful MX. And over and around he goes, and squeezing every bit of energy out of the airplane and continues to. Up he goes now with all sorts of energy, reaching for the top of the aerobatic box. Non-stop aerobatics all the way up to the top and then over into the flat spin now. Snapping it out of that and heading down and building up the airspeed again. In the Lucas Oil. Negative G's again. Hello breakfast, hello lunch all over again, maybe. Like a flip top, he just spins with the power he has left on the top, then settles, the airplane not flying again. It's just slowly coming down, and now he's getting over and connected. Oh man, I just love watching him fly. Big wave. Newlywed. He's only 5 weeks into that. And it's just great that his wife is enjoying being here with him this weekend as well. So our newlywed Brad Worston, high above now in the MX2, and trying to give Grace a run for her money in the helicopter kind of approach as he slows it down to almost a hover in the wind and then pushes the nose over to just demonstrate the sheer power of that.
Come in for our arm right now, all right?
Roger that.
We're going to go for the thumb.
All right, here comes the thumb.
Push over the top. Going straight downhill, baby.
Oh, man.
One knuckle. Two knuckles. Three knuckles. Four knuckles right there, Rick.
Bill Aldner, owner of Sealand Aviation in Campbell River, has been repairing and building Eagles for many years. He and everything about it.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Cyclone.
Creating its own weather system under there. As you can see, some of the freshly cut grass getting pulled up into the air as this thing flies low.
Power back on and up he goes. It's going to be loud.
Every time he moves the stick so that the wingman can stay